guys, welcome again to Sardinia in a nutshell, or should I say Sardinia in a kitchen. We're here today with the always lovely Dominika.
Hello.
She has a beautiful channel.
Just odd and wonderful and yeah, all kinds of videos that are makeup related, really.
And we filmed a video together before. It was a get ready with me, and it was quite fun. So if you want to check it out, go to her channel. Today what we're gonna do is quite different, and it's something that I couldn't do in my kitchen because it sucks. So that's why I'm with Dominika today, because she kindly lent me my kitchen, her kitchen, not mine.
Your kitchen for today.
Yeah, it's my kitchen for today. Today we are going to do Sardinian cute and nice thingies, lemon thingies called Pirichittus. So let's get started. I need the recipe because I don't remember the definition. Oh, okay, we need to destroy the eggs. So if we open the eggs, okay, we'll put it here, and then we're gonna
do that.
Yes, you can do that. Okay, for this recipe, I forgot to say, we need 400 grams of sugar, which I think is this one. And then we need 600 grams of flour, which I think is this one.
Yeah.
12. All of them.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And then we need a glass of oil, which you choose how big a glass is. We were debating it, but whatever. And then we need 3 lemons that we got here. I will link the recipe down below, but it's in Italian, so I don't know if you know some Italian, if you want to translate it, it's
Oh
fine.
my god, don't translate it. Just ask Fatima to translate it for free.
Yes, so yeah, exactly, you know, and then come back to me and tell me that my translation is wrong because Google Translate said otherwise. True story. Now we are going to how do you say, squish? Stir? Yeah, destroy the eggs. So just gonna go in and just kind of like try to destroy them as much as you can. Please squish, 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 squish. Okay.
You want me to do it?
I am terrible at cooking, so it should be fine. Look, it's going.
You want me to do it? Just to put it out there, I do have an astronomy education, so do you want them to need
I think, yeah, no, I think they're fine. Yeah.
Ooh. I'm gonna take this off.
After getting rid of the gooey and gooey stuff, we're gonna go into the fun part of doing the dough. So, to do the dough, we have to put the flour. He says here in a fountain shape, which I guess is something like this, if I remember right from. So I think this is the fountain bit. Apparently we needed to add the oil to the eggs before, like a little bit of oil while the eggs are whisked. So don't be like me, don't forget to whisk your eggs with the oil.
But all of the oil?
Yes. All the glass of oil.
I hope it's gonna fit.
Now we are going to add this thing of
Whisked oil.
whisked oil and the thing inside and hope for the best. Ah, fuck, shit, bullshit. But this wasn't a great idea, I must say.
Well, that's working good. Okay, I'm slowly gonna.
Yeah, let's do slowly. That's perfect, we're doing it here, guys, it's fine.
That's kind of working.
It's working much better than what I was doing, whatever I was doing before. We're doing fine here, it's fine.
Just keep on telling that to himself. It's so stuck to my hand. Probably we should have like put some flour on our hand.
Yeah, actually that was a good idea, which I didn't know about.
Oh wow.
I think we need more flour. The recipe was lying because this is like too wet.
Oh, yes.
You like this sound.
Oh my god, please cut it out.
This is not our channel. Yeah, exactly. It's not a channel about Sardinia anymore.
R-rated.
Yeah.
That's why like cooking with porn stars. You know?
Yeah. So this is what we have now, guys. Guys, the recipe was lying. Don't put 600 grams of flour and that's it, because this is not what you need. You need more. That's awful.
I really hope you can hear the sound on the video.
I don't want to do this anymore. I am regretting everything at the moment.
No one likes critters.
But if you enjoy ASMR, guys, you probably like this. I don't. Like, I enjoy ASMR, but I hate this.
Why, Patya?
I don't know. I wonder. I will need more flour.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
I know eating this is gonna taste really floury at the end.
Yeah, most probably. Okay, let's do some more flour. Sorry. I know you just closed it with the hope that
No.
you wouldn't. So a kilo and 200 grams of flour later. Okay, so this is the final product, more or less. We'll see how it goes. Just leave it to
Would
stay
you
there.
cover this with anything?
I don't know, it doesn't say anything about it. Fate posare da parte per un'oretta. It says just leave it for an hour. We left this to rest for an hour.
Even though we said we
So,
wouldn't.
ah?
Even though we said we wouldn't.
Yeah, even though we said we wouldn't. So now we need something to put them in. Dominika in the meantime is grating the...
This one?
whichever it's easier for you, I guess. Grating the lemons, and I'm doing this. So now, after your, it's gonna be a lot of them. We get a little bit of paste, dough, and we're just gonna do it in little chunks like this. It's like a ball, but not really. It doesn't have to be really perfect, because actually these are quite imperfect stuff, so it's all good. So we just just take it, ball it. You even say ball it, probably not. And then just there we go. All done. We have the oven already at 200, and we're gonna leave it there. The recipe says 45 minutes. I don't trust the recipe because the flour wasn't right, and and I don't think these need 45 minutes. But what do I know? So I'm just gonna put this here now. I think I'm gonna put this batch in now and see how it goes.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it for 20 minutes and see what it says afterwards, after 20 minutes. Okay, right, so what we need now, we're gonna do the syrup, lemon syrup. So, Dominika kindly grated the lemon, 3 lemons. Thank you, Dominika, with a small ass grater.
This is
So-
broken now.
That's broken, oops. And then we have, how much sugar? I think 400. Yes, 400, so the thing says. These, we didn't keep them for 45 minutes because that would be brown and inedible. And they look like this now. And they're quite nice. So we kept them for 20 to 25 minutes, more or less, right? Yeah. Cool. What we're gonna do is, how do I use this? I don't know.
On high.
High.
How high?
Let's put it high.
Very high?
Quite high. 5. Okay. Let's put it at 5. Okay, so we need half a glass of water.
What kind of glass? What kind of glass?
We put the water in, and then we put the sugar in.
Cut the sound it makes.
And now we're gonna add the lemon thingy, peel. Lemon. I'm not too sure how long I'll have to keep it in.
And it starts to get syrupy when it's not just water and sugar, you know?
Yeah, true. Okay, do you know when that happens? Now, Dominika is going to tell us when this is becoming a syrup.
And it's more like oil instead of water. Consistency wise, you should not notice when you mix.
So Dominika has taught me an amazing word in Slovenian, čudovito, which means perfect, and I think this is čudovito.
Perfect or beautiful.
I'm sure that this will be čudovito.
Both.
Both. Perfect and beautiful.
3 hours later.
Should I just pour it on it or should I just put it on
I don't know.
Neither do I. Comment down below and let me know what shall I do. We have a chef here, so we're gonna ask him. We fucked up already.
We added half of the fucking glass, whatever that fucking means. Well, apparently
We fucked
the
up.
recipe is shit.
Ah, of course.
Oh,
Well,
this
guys,
is so good.
we're pouring it. It's like this. Hopefully it will be fine. Dominika thinks it's nice, so I'm pretty sure that it's nice. Here we have it. This is the dipping sauce later. And these are my take on Pirichittus. So Fatima's Pirichittus, because they don't look like they should. But Dominika likes it. Let's have a look. Dominika. Is it good? She likes it, so I'm sure they're fine. Woo! Mission accomplished. I just want to apologize for being absent all this time, but I took a little break, too busy, fuck it, so yeah. So, how did I used to close my videos? If you like this video, please like it by thumbing it up, down. If you would like to share your thoughts about this video and how awful this Pirichittus look, it tastes good at least, please do so in the comments down below. And if you would like to subscribe for more shitty recipes that don't work because I'm terrible at cooking, please do. I will see you next time, hopefully not in 3 months time. Biri. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how the Pirichittus looked the next day, which is much better. It's they actually look like Pirichittus, more or less. Not really, but with a bit of imagination they do. And I was quite happy because they tasted like Pirichittus, which is the most important thing, and everyone loved them. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.